It's time for Chi's Sweet Adventure.
This feels good. She knows. This smell. Who is licking me? Chi remembers this smell. Oh. Where am I? It's cold. Oh yeah, she slept in here last night. I couldn't get in because this was closed. Open up, please! Open it! Open it! Ah, it's Mommy! Yay! She can go inside now! She won't in! Mommy, let's in!
It's so bright out today. It's great weather.
Mommy! Open up, please!
The toast is done. You all, breakfast is almost ready.
I'm so sleepy.
It's Daddy!
I was up late last night.
Hey! Open up, please, Dad! Open it!
Huh? The weather's great today. A perfect day for Chi to nap.
Daddy, she's right here! She's right here! Hi, Daddy! Oh. Oh. It's you, Ray!
Morning.
She's here! Over here!
Did Santa come?
I wonder.
She's here!
Mom, do you know?
Well, Yohei, go look yourself.
Oh, there it is.
Over here!
Huh? What can it be?
Yo-hey! Yo-hey! She is over here!
Ah, it's just what I wanted. Yay!
Yeah!
So Santa came again this year, isn't that right, darling?
Good for you, Yohei.
She is right here! Look!
Chi, look what I got. Let's play together. Huh? Where did Chi go?
I'm right here!
Hmm?
Ugh. It's hard and cold. She is thirsty. She's hungry.
Time for breakfast. Yohei, you can play with it after you eat.
Right.
Let's
eat breakfast. Cheese, I bet Chi would want some of this.
And some of this milk too, huh?
Chi! Chi, where are you? Where is she?
Yohei?
Come to think of it,
Chi!
That's strange.
isn't she hungry?
Where is she?
Oh,
Uh,
Oh,
Chi's gone missing! Chi! Where are you?
can't be. Oh, of course not. Silly me.
Chi? Oh! Is It's the money I'd hidden ages ago. I'm glad I found it. This is no time for this now. Gee, where are...
G. G.
She has been here all along. Oh, they're back!
What should we do?
Where could she have gone, I wonder?
She's right here! She's home!
Let's search around the house again. You two, come on.
She's right here! Wait, there! Yo, hey!
Huh? 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 Huh?
Oh.
Gee!
Oh, you found her.
Really?
Yeah!
Oh.
Why was she outside?
I don't know.
She was here all along! You were all having fun without me, no fair!
Oh.
Here you go, Chi. You must be thirsty.
And hungry too, yeah?
Yay!
Gee, you must have been cold out there.
Nice and full.
Come on, Chi. Let's play together.
Yeah. Oh.
Ready, Chi?
Oh. Uh-huh.
Here we go again.
Oh. Dude, she's ruining your Christmas present.
It's totally fine. I build it, and she breaks it. That's how we play together.
Oh.
Yohei chose that toy in the first place just so he could play with Chi, you know, honey.
Is that right?
Chi, here we go again. Go again. That's great, Chi.
Ta-da! Here's a present from Santa Mom to both of you.
Wow, Mom.
Fish sausage?
It's low in salt so that Chi can eat it too.
Miwa always knows best.
Chi, look here. A fish sausage cake.
Let's eat!
Delicious.
So good. Yum, yum. Nice and full.
Look, it's snowing.
All right.
It's a white Christmas, guys.
Yes.
Chi, look, it's snow.
Mama?
What's wrong?
It's nothing, dears.
Oh, the room seems to be too cold for you. You must find somewhere warm. Next is Chi, warms up. Get comfy, Chi.
Yeah! Let's fly look this way. Ready? Look 2,